Hey guys, traditional employment is not the only way for generating additional income. A growing number of individuals are embracing the concept of side hustles, freelance work, and various other methods to earn extra money. The rise of the gig economy and technological advancements have opened up numerous opportunities for individuals to explore alternative sources of income. Side hustles have gained popularity as people recognize the potential to leverage their skills, hobbies, or passions to earn supplementary cash. These ventures can take various forms such as freelancing, consulting, online businesses, sharing economy platforms, or creative endeavors. But before this video, guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Now here are 5 ways to earn extra money without getting a new job. The first one is create videos or start a podcast. If you possess a unique passion or talent in a specific niche, there is a potential opportunity to generate income by creating video content on platforms like YouTube or TikTok, or even venturing into podcasting. Platforms such as YouTube and TikTok offer creators the ability to showcase their skills, knowledge, or entertaining content to a wide audience. By leveraging your niche interest or talent, you can create engaging videos that resonate with a specific target audience, attracting viewers who share similar interests. To monetize your content creation efforts, various avenues are available, including advertisements, brand partnerships, sponsored content, merchandise sales, crowdfunding, and fan support. However, it's important to note that building a successful content channel or podcast requires time, dedication, and consistent effort to grow and engage with your audience. The second one is start flipping items. In today's digital age, there is a wide array of apps and companies that specialize in facilitating online sales for specific items. If you find yourself wanting to declutter your closet and simultaneously earn some extra cash, this can be a great way to do it. If you have other items besides clothing that you wish to sell, platforms such as eBay and Facebook Marketplace can serve as excellent channels to reach potential buyers. eBay, being a well-established online marketplace, provides a vast range of categories for selling various products, from electronics to collectibles to home goods and furniture. On the other hand, Facebook Marketplace offers a convenient and localized platform, allowing you to connect with buyers within your community. The third one is house sitting and pet sitting. House sitting and pet sitting are commonly sought after services that typically require minimal effort. When homeowners are away, they may hire house sitters to ensure their residences remain clean and well maintained, with additional responsibilities such as watering plants. Similarly, pet sitters may be entrusted with the task of taking care of pets, which often includes feeding them and taking them for walks. Although these roles can be considered jobs, they offer a remarkable degree of flexibility that sets them apart from traditional employment. House sitting and pet sitting engagements allow individuals to enjoy the benefits of a flexible schedule and the freedom to choose assignments that align with their availability and preferences. As a result, these roles rarely feel burdensome or like typical work, as they can be enjoyable and rewarding experiences. Another one is provide landscaping services. Engaging in landscaping services such as lawn mowing, hedge trimming, snow shoveling, or leaf blowing can be a profitable venture that also provides a physical workout. Services like mowing lawns and trimming hedges help homeowners and businesses maintain well-groomed and visually pleasing landscapes during winter months. Snow shoveling becomes a valuable service, ensuring safe and accessible pathways, while leaf blowing assists in keeping outdoor areas clean and tidy. Although these activities require physical labor, they offer the dual benefit of earning money while engaging in a productive workout. By taking on landscaping tasks, you can experience the satisfaction of accomplishing physical activity while providing a valuable service to clients. Another one is rent out your car. If you own a car that spends a significant amount of time sitting idle, you can turn it into a source of quick cash by renting it out through platforms like Turo. These platforms allow you to earn money from your car while you relax at home. Turo offers a convenient and hassle-free way to monetize your idle vehicle. By listing your car on their website, you can connect with potential renters who are seeking a vehicle for a specific period. This not only allows you to generate income but also helps someone in need of temporary transportation. Before getting started, it's important to note that there are certain basic requirements your car must meet in order to be eligible for listing on Turo. Typically, vehicles that are more than 12 years old or have accumulated more than 130,000 miles may not meet the platform's criteria. However, it's always advisable to review the specific guidelines provided by Turo or similar rental platforms to ensure your vehicle meets their requirements. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Guys, do you currently have a side hustle? Leave your comments down below. So guys, if you like this video, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.